Okay, so you're supposed to match this to what shape, which net would go with this shape. So here, we would have to see that we have 2 triangles. So the one that we're doing must have exactly 2 triangles. So that knocks out this one and this one. And then we can also see, so that would be 2 triangles. And then we can also see that it has 3 rectangles. There's this one, there's this one, and then there's this one. So the shape should have 3 rectangles and 2 triangles. We can see that A and D have 2 triangles and 3 rectangles. So either one of these could be folded up to make this here. Now the second part of our question was that we were supposed to name this shape. It's called a triangular prism. So if you didn't get that right, you need to review how to name shapes. So I'm going to do a quick review on that now. So there's 2 kinds of shapes that I'm going to ask you about. The first one is prisms, and the second one is pyramids. So prisms can have any shape base, so let's say it has triangle base, but then it's going to have all rectangle, that's not a very good prism, all rectangle sides. So if it has triangular bases, it might be like this, or it could have square bases and be like this. It might have, let's see, trapezoid bases would even be acceptable, but it always has rectangles for sides, even if it has different shape bases. And it doesn't matter if the bases go on the top or bottom. Let's say the triangle is here. The rectangular sides could come up to a triangle on top. But what matters is it has 2 shapes as bases. It could be any shape, and then rectangle sides, whereas pyramids have any shape base, but there's only one base. So if it's a triangular pyramid, it'll have a triangle bottom, and then it has triangle sides. So here would be the sides. It's pointy on top. That's a big difference between prisms and pyramids. It's got 1 point on the top. That's a very bad triangular pyramid. Let me see if I can do a better one. There we go, that's better. Or you could have a square pyramid. Has a square on the bottom, triangles on the side. It's still going to be pointy on top. I think those are the main ones you need to know. Prisms have rectangles on the sides. Pyramids have triangles on the sides. And then you name them based on their base. So this one's going to be a triangular because it has triangle bases. Prism. First name triangular. Second name prism. This one's a square prism. This one's a triangular prism. Notice the triangle bases and the rectangles on the side. This one would be a trapezoid prism. These ones are the same way. The first name is the base, so it's a triangular for the first name, but then this one's a pyramid, so pyramid for the second one. This one's a square pyramid. Okay, that's all.